Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the informative channel with Dr. Bhattacharya's multi-specialty clinic. I am Dr. Avi Bhattacharya, a practicing trichologist and medical cosmetologist practicing in this field in Kolkata in my own clinic setup with 12 plus years experience in trichology and medical cosmetology. As you know, in our informative channel, we frequently discuss some more important questions asked by my patients or by some others in direct questionnaires, in direct questions, or maybe sent to my WhatsApp or different channel queries. So today we will going to discuss a more important thing about hair transplant. As you people know, after hair transplantation, these hairs will definitely grow up. So how to keep your hairs better, how to keep your hairs good after doing a hair transplantation, how to grow them better, to keep them stronger after doing a hair transplant. We're just going to discuss all these things. Before going to discuss some small recap about what is hair transplantation. As you know, hair transplantation is the only process for a bald people where there is only baldness, total baldness in these areas. To bring back your hair, you have to we have to take these back hairs of your permanent zone and will implant in the areas where you don't have any hair roots, and they will subsequently grow like normal natural hair. Needs haircut, never falls. You can comb them, oil them, shampoo them, gel them, dye them, color them, style them, streak them. You can have your haircut. Even if you shave them off, they will again come back. So that is basically the hair transplants pathophysiology or anatomy between the hair transplant. Now, after doing a hair transplantation, how to keep these hairs better? In my private practice, I have seen many patients for a prolonged period who have a problem after doing a hair transplantation. All the transplanted hairs started falling or may be becoming thinner day by day, or almost he is going towards the previous condition which he in the stages before going for a hair transplantation. Now, how to keep these hairs better? So basically, as per our knowledge in hair transplantation, the transplanted hairs should not fall. They have to grow or they have to stay throughout your life. But in reality, there are many cases, there are many patients who have not especially became happy. Maybe the initial result is good, but afterwards the final result or final outcome is not so impressive exactly. So in that case, what to do to keep your hairs better? Many patients come to me with the same problem, a similar problem, that I have done hair transplantation in maybe 2016, 2017 or 2018, and all the hairs, or maybe 2020, even 21 also, and my all hairs started falling again and again, especially on the transplanted areas. Along with the normal natural hair, they started falling, and they again we are going towards a process of baldness. What to do to keep these hairs better, to keep them stronger? Basically, the 2, 3, 4 things you need to do. Number 1, always follow proper doctor's advice. Always keep contracting with the surgeon whom you have done the hair transplantation. Just keep contracting with him. If you in the future, maybe see, at least we expect after doing so much, after even spending a lump sum of money, and after doing so much, even after doing that surgery, at least these hairs should stay for some time. So always keep contracting with your surgeon whom have done the hair transplantation. Keep contracting. Keep telling that I am started losing the hairs again. What to do, doc? Number 1. So according to his advice, you continue applying the minoxidil twice daily, every day. Minoxidil once daily is not the dose. It is twice daily, 1 ml. You have to apply. Number 2, if you are maybe experiencing some amount of more hair loss in the long run, or maybe even after just doing the hair transplantation, maybe 3 to 6 months, or maybe more than 1 year, you have to take the finasteride kind of thing, which exactly stops converting testosterone into dihydrotestosterone. Number 3, always clean. Try to keep cleaning your scalp. Should not be sweat. So keep cleaning. So if sweat appears, just dab your scalp and apply with handkerchief also to keep cleaning, and do shampoo properly at a regular interval. Number 4, the most important thing I have seen, after following even these things, patient also continue losing their hairs. So what to do in that case? Just keep doing GFC or PRP treatment with wonderful effect. What it will do? GFC or PRP will do a beautiful textural improvement. Number 1, it decreases your hair loss immediately after the session. And when you start continuing the session, even once in a month also, that will keep continuing the textural improvement of your hair, and hairs will stay back. They lessens falling, they decreases in amount falling, and ultimately stops falling. So all these things is very necessary. Number one, you should apply minoxidil. Number two, you should apply either finasteride. You should take either finasteride or dutasteride. You should contact with your doc. Keep contacting with your doc. You should do proper shampooing. And fifth and the most important thing, immediately you should go for PRP or GFC treatment to stay back those hairs, and also your normal natural hair to keep lessen them from falling. So all these things to maintain your hair after transplantation, you need to do GFC or PRP treatment. I have seen in many cases that does wonders of wonder. So always keep continuing your proper medication, of course by advice with a doc, of course advice from your doc. And along with that, if you going for a qualified doc, if you are going for consulting for a qualified doc, many patients come to me who have done hair transplantation elsewhere and come for me for consultation after later on when he started keep losing those hairs rather. So always try to do these things and keep continuing at least GFC or PRP sessions once in a month for at least maybe 4-6 sessions, and later on for a maintenance session in every 3 to 4 months, one session every 3 to 4 months. That will go wonderful wonders, and that all things are needed, very needed rather, to keep your transplanted hairs better or keep them stronger. So do maintaining all these things. Thanking you for watching, thanking you for listening to things. Have a good day.